Welcome to Monteverde Xtremo Park, right in the heart of Costa Rica's cloud forest. Today, I'm taking you with me on an adventure full of adrenaline, nature, and courage. Safety first. We start with the most important part, safety. Before you even step onto a cable, the guide explains everything. Your harness, helmet, how to brake, what to do in each platform. The staff are super professional and double check all the gear so you feel safe and ready. Then the real adventure begins, a whole series of ziplines.
Let's keep going!
You can ride solo, or in some cables you can share it with someone else. Some of the cables are over 1 kilometer long and hang as high as 150 kilometers above the ground. In total, the Canopy tour covers about 4 kilometers of ziplines, making it one of the longest in Costa Rica.
It's funny how they put you all this, but if you fall from this shit, you're dead, man.
But here's something people don't always mention. Between the ziplines, you'll be doing some hiking through the rainy cloud forest. Honestly, it was a bit hard, but the views are breathtaking. It makes the effort completely worth it. On our tour, it started to rain a little, totally normal in Monteverde, but the mist and the drizzle make the forest feel alive, and it adds this magical vibe to the whole experience. One of the biggest highlights, the famous Superman zipline.
Guys, this is the tall one.
They strap you face down, stretch out, and you fly like a superhero for over a kilometer above the forest. I was so nervous at first, looking down at the valley, feeling the wind, but once I let go, it was unbelievable, like flying for real. And then comes the Tarzan Swing. Imagine stepping off a platform and free swinging out into the forest like a giant pendulum. The first drop is intense, your stomach flips, but once you're swinging, it's pure joy and adrenaline. Definitely one of the scariest yet most fun parts of the experience.
Increíble. No, like that was another level.
A few quick tips if you're planning to come. I would recommend to wear comfortable clothes, closed shoes, and maybe bring a rain jacket. In Monteverde, the weather changes fast. Here's what you get in the standard Canopy package. About 16 cables, including 2 Superman ziplines, the Tarzan Swing, amazing platforms with views of the forest and mountains, and of course, the safety equipment and professional guides. The Canopy tour costs about $60 per adult. If you want to upgrade your adventure, you can also add an underground Superman zipline through a tunnel, or all in with the bungee jump, one of the highest in Central America. To sum up, Monteverde Xtremo Park is more than just ziplines. It's hiking through a mystical rainforest, pushing your limits, and flying through the clouds. If you're up for an adventure, this place delivers unforgettable memories. I would 100% recommend.